Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you a very useful guide on how to change the wallpaper without activation here in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's get started. Firstly, we need to proceed at the button search bar and type for settings. The moment you've typed it, wait until a best match would appear, and once it's here, please click on open to continue. So when you try to bring up the settings, okay, and under the settings, when you proceed to your personalization, so we just have to wait until this would be ready. And when you try to click on your personalization, okay, and when you locate for your themes, okay. And when you try to change your paper here, you won't be able to do so since it's being grayed out. In my case, not because I have activated my windows. But in your case, if you don't activate it, meaning you won't be able to change your wallpaper using this section. So in order to change your wallpaper without any activation, all you need to do is you need to download a picture, okay, an image. And once you have downloaded it, please bring it up here at the desktop. Please do a right click. Okay. And you would be able to open up a window like this where here you can see set as desktop background. The moment you've tapped on it, there you go. You have just successfully changed the wallpaper without any activation here in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. Okay. So that's it. Now, if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget also to leave a comment at the comment section below if you have succeeded on changing your wallpaper without any activation. So thank you for watching and have a good day everyone.